Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while, but I make what I can. So just jumping back in, we can see obviously we still got everything done. We've got our box, our tree, our terrain, and this time what I want to do is I want to show you how to use something called CubeGrid, which basically allows us to whitebox any levels. So yeah, let me show you that. So in order to get to that, we're going to come up to where it says selection mode. We're going to click on selection mode. We're going to come down to where it says modeling. You can also press shift and F5. From here, we're going to select the cube grid here. And it's important with the cube grid to make sure that nothing is selected when you start using it. So I'm going to up this grid power to 5, which is usually where it starts. Now you would simply do is select which cubes you want to edit. Now we're just going to make a simple car shape for starters. So let's just go side on to it, and let's just take that up by 1. So you press E to raise it, and you press Q to lower it. So you could lower it down as well, but it's not really much point if there's nothing there. And of course you can press Control and Z to undo everything that you did. Like so. So we're now going to go up 1 there. And let's just go up to here. And up 1 there. And then there you have it. We have basic car kind of shape. You can make it as big or as little as you want. You can even edit the size of the cubes that we select. Now, let's say we want to make something like a tree. So we've completed a car, but now we want to make a tree. And now I'm right clicking, so I do apologize. Now, the important thing is once you finish making one item in CubeGrid, that you hit the accept button, so that is the only thing that's generated. And whatever you do, don't start a new CubeGrid with this selected because it will add it in. So we want to press escape to unhighlight it and then press CubeGrid again. And then we're just going to select here, tick up say 5 times, and boom, we have our base of our tree. The branches we obviously don't want to be that big, so let's just take this down to say 3, and that could probably work. So you're going to select say 4 here. Of course they're not going to be like real branches, they're not going to look exactly like a branch, it's just for representation, so we can just make them as long as we want, and we can make them in different sort of shapes and sizes, just so we know that that is supposed to be a tree. And again, once we're finished, we hit accept. So this is how you make kind of basic shapes in the CubeGrid. Now, in terms of if you want to reuse these, you can copy and paste them, which is probably the easiest way, or duplicate them. But you'll also find if you go into your content, go into your third person, it might be first person if you go in first person or respective which type of map you've used. Then we're going to hit the maps, and all of this will be focus forced, will be created inside this generated folder here. And here we go. So there we go. So if we want to take them out and use them, we can. Now, I'm not entirely sure why that did that one there, but hey ho. I'm going to take this card out and let's just stick it there. And yeah, there we go. So that is our CubeGrid. Hopefully that can give you guys some benefits. Thank you for watching and enjoy your creations.